Good morning, everyone. Today I have almost completed all of my syllabus, and the number of students we have today is very less as compared to the other days. So I cannot proceed with the revision as well because the students are absent. So today I thought of keeping the Rubik's cube competition among Promise and Ayush. So begins now. Your time begins now. Start. A very tough competition going on here between Ayush and Promise. Wow, excellent. Who is the winner? Promise. So Ayush also he had almost completed the task, and this is super interesting actually. And this keeps your mind fresh, and then it is actually a bit tough to remember the formula as well, isn't it? So this is really very interesting. It took almost 1 minute for him to arrange entire cube. So clap for him. And I just want to ask a very simple question to both the participants. Firstly, I congratulate to Promise, and then I wish you very best of luck to increase your speed and take part in some more competition in days to come. So, how long it took for you to learn this, to arrange this? Since when have you been practicing to arrange this cube? You can you can tell me in Nepali as well. How long it took for you to learn this? Okay, first I'll ask to Ayush. Speak louder, okay? Since when you are practicing this? Louder, louder. At school. You learned in school itself, in your free time, no? But how much time it took for you to learn this? हजुर बुझिनौ 3 to 5 months. Oh, it's quite a long time, no? Is there anyone who is helping you to arrange this one? Promise. Okay, he's the master here. So, Promise. How long it took for you to learn this? Within one night, you learned this, which means he's quite intelligent, no? Very intelligent, in fact. It's difficult to learn within one night. You learned through the YouTube or from someone else? Your brother taught you? Okay, good. You increase your speed more and break the record. Set the record and break the record next time. Alright? Okay, thank you.